I gotta show you guys something. Boom! We got ourselves a Junkyard 5.3. You guys ever wondered how to organize your tools the proper way? Just like that. Or, you know, all of them are missing. They're just scattered around, just like that. Am I right?
You're right. Half of them were here from the junkyard.
Yeah, they're just scattered out all around the place, man. So today, we're gonna start taking apart the Junkyard 5.3, guys. Call her Dirty Bertha right here. How's that sound? Dirty Bertha? I was thinking Dirty Dan, maybe.
There's a guy at work called Dirty Dan.
No, like Dirty Dan from... I'm Dirty Dan.
I'd say I'm Dirty Dan.
I'd say I'm Dirty Dan.
She's a little dirty. She's got at least 207,000 miles on it.
So if you're coming off the street and you're beginning to feel the heat, well, listen, Buster, you better start to move your feet to the record.
All right, Pinhead, your time is up. Why? Why can't I? Hey, watch your language. It's PG channel.
Is it?
I might have said a few swear words. I don't know. Makes like so much easier. That's a long bit. Always keep a spare ratchet on me at all times. All right, Heather, come on off. The head's name is Heather. Yeah, these things have seen better days. My gosh. These are dirty. Man. This needs a good WD-40 and scrub and brake cleaner. Oh no, that's just water flowing out of there. Boom. Boom. Yeah, this side's like more greasy. I don't know, it's hard to tell. The other side's more black. Like toasted.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
God. Brother.
Sister.
Man. Ow, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. Ow. I think I broke my thumb. That might explain. I cut myself through the glove. That's how hard I freaking pinched my thumb. Damn. Keep working. Welcome to Charlie's Whorehouse. You got the dough, we got the hoe. Man, these things are really tight. Do you ever just make the weirdest noises when you're unbolting things because they're so tight? Man, this thing keeps moving on me. You said it's very difficult? Because you're blind? Man, this thing moved like a whole foot. Are you making flames?
Yeah, it sounds good.
Oh no, that's Christian. He's got his weird glasses on.
Oh, I thought that was it. I'm gonna make a flame.
It's what? Casually eats whole ice cream sandwich in one bite. Where'd you get them twos from? I was like,
Where'd you lose those two?
I was just like, got them for Christmas, dude. I don't know. He goes, "That's a nice set of twos, man. Cool." Like tools. Twos. That's a nice set of twos you got there, man. I'm like, thanks, brother. This one's being a turd. You might be turning it you're turning the wrong way. This one don't want to come out. Alright, came out. I don't know how I missed that one. I think it says this bolt was in the way of it. Didn't see it.
No, I need to wear my glasses.
Alright.
Should be coming right out.
Oh, son of
You
a
gotta watch the
biscuit.
water, I just told you that.
That cylinder is filled. It's all rusty.
This one ain't as bad as the other side. About the same. You can tell this side the PVC wasn't breathing.
Dang, this is gross.
It's not gross.
There's so much stuff in here.
Oh my god, that's so disgusting.
I guess I can do this. It like didn't absorb nearly any. Alright guys, that is actually it for now. You guys are gonna have to wait for the next episode to figure out what we are doing with this thing. I'm just gonna get it all cleaned up probably the next episode, show you guys what's going on. But as of right now, this is all you guys get to see. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!
This thing goes.
Wanna say goodbye?
No.
You just say goodbyes.